solve the equation 3 cos x minus 2 sin x is equal to 3. So we've got this equation 3 cos x minus 2 sin x is equal to 3. So if we replace them with their exponential form, so we get 3 e to the x plus e to the minus x over 2 minus 2 e to the x minus e to the minus x over 2, and that's equal to 3. So if we multiply out each one and then take the 2 up here, we're going to get 3e to the x plus 3e to the minus x minus 2e to the x plus 2e to the minus x is equal to 6. Right, so grouping like terms together, so we've got 3e to the x minus 2e to the x, which gives me e to the x, and then we've got 3e to the minus x plus 2e to the minus x, which makes 5 over e to the x, because e to the minus x is 1 over e to the x. And that's take away 6 is equal to 0. Because we don't really want that in the denominator, we're going to multiply the whole thing through by e to the x. So this becomes e to the x squared, which we can write like that. This will become 5, because the e to the x will cancel out, and then we get minus 6 e to the x, and that's equal to 0. And then rewriting it, it becomes e to the 2x minus 6e to the x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic in e to the x. This is like e to the x squared. So it does factorize quite easily. We can have e to the x minus 5, e to the x minus 1 is equal to 0. And therefore either e to the x is equal to 5, which means that x was ln of 5, or e to the x is equal to 1, which means that x is equal to ln of 1 and ln of 1 is equal to 0. So we have two solutions, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to ln of 5. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve a hyperbolic equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.